guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm going to be journaling in my Inspired Bible, and I am in the book of Colossians chapter 3 in verse 23, where it says, "Work willingly at whatever you do as though you are working for the Lord rather than for people." And so this passage is God's instructions to us as Christians, and specifically in the Christian household. And so as a mother, as a wife in my family, I try to do my very best at what I know how to do, things that I've learned from my mother and from my father. And so not only do I do my very best in the things I've learned for the household, as in like cooking and baking and taking care of the house and everything like that, I also try and instill those things in my life in everything that I do, no matter what it is, if it's volunteering or at my job or whatever. I always try and do the best and go above and beyond what is expected of me. So I just think that is what God has called me to do, and I think that's what He has called you to do as well. And so I have this collection from Illustrated Faith. It's the Print and Pray Overflowing with Grace. I pulled out some pieces from it. It is a super cute collection. I'm going to be using this like bookmark here just because I already have this. This is already pre-printed in my Bible, and I don't want to use that part. I want to cover it up. But this goes with the collection. I'm actually going to be cutting up or covering up this saying. It says, "How can I make Jesus look beautiful to my family today?" I want to use the girl that is included in the collection, and I'm going to put that over the top of that. And then I'm going to use this little stack of dishes here. I thought that was cute. It goes along with this. And then here, this little die cut says, "Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for men." So that's the verse that I read to you, a different version, but I just think this is just an important verse for us, that we need to have faith that God will give us the wisdom to do what He wants us to do in our life, and that we do it to the very best. And so I also have this little tag up here that says love, and I think that if you love God and love Jesus, then you will allow Him to do your very best in your life. So that is what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to maybe use some of the washi tapes in here. And this is the American Crafts Bible Journaling washi tape. And I have my Illustrated Faith ink, my date stamper, and then I have my glue. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. my final entry. I decided to just bring in some watercolor, just the single blue color that went along with the cutouts, just to add some more color to the page. So I hope you liked this. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.